Working with 3 Business has been really critical to our business in enabling us to be scalable with the Adapt plan and have the efficiency of the customer support.
At Double H, we are an indoor houseplant grower. We're the largest in the UK. We grow Phalaenopsis orchids, approximately 30,000 per week. We're supplying some of the UK's biggest retailers. We source plants from obviously our nurseries in the UK. We also source plants from Holland. We chose 3 Business because they offer a complete solution.
3 Business offered us the reliable connectivity and scalability that we were looking for. Greenhouses are really hard to navigate. They're just glass, so there's not a lot of infrastructure, power, or Wi-Fi. So 5G enables us to have full connectivity across the whole site.
We have offices across the globe, so being able to get constantly in contact with those other members of our business instantly to say if there's a problem with pests, disease, or even just something basic as the colour's gone wrong, it means that we're not going to let our customers down at the far end.
3 Business with the Adapt plan has enabled us to be scalable across all our sites and all our greenhouses. During peak times, we have to pop up sites at other locations, and it just enables us to get going right away. Because of the constant monitoring from our nurseries, ability to have unlimited data has been really important for us. I don't have to worry about that data threshold anymore.
Before moving to 3 Business, it could be a case that I would send one of my team to another site and they would be dropped off the board for hours, which we are a very small specialist team. It was very detrimental to the overall business. Now, because there's complete connectivity, it's like they haven't gone anywhere.
With our previous provider, the connectivity really wasn't good enough. The data was slow, we didn't have 5G, and in some of the greenhouses that we're working across the UK, there was just no signal at all. 3, fortunately, has given us 5G and full data reliability across these sites.
3 Business has helped us improve our service to our customers as well as maintaining our current quality, and we're looking forward to growing our business even further.